Hey guys, this is my first ever YouTube video. I'm gonna share. So basically, I'm a web designer. I've been working as a web designer for almost 4 years. I've been freelancing, to be honest. So I have worked with a bunch of clients, mainly startups, personal brands, and small business owners. So these are like the projects I designed, to be honest. So I usually build a website in the past 3 years. I built websites mainly specifically in Framer. So you might be thinking, why Framer? So because of three things, it helped me. So the first thing is, it helped me and my clients save a lot of time and money. Second thing is, the hosting is comparatively less compared to Webflow and other hosting platforms. And the third thing is, you have like a design control. Basically, you can do all bunch of things like complex interactions and animations that I'm gonna be sharing one of my clients site by the end of this video. So that's about Framer. So my take would be, Framer in the next 3 to 4 years. If you're a freelancer, you can land enterprise clients and you can work on enterprise level projects, which for that project might be, you can charge almost like $5,000 to all the way up to $50,000 for a single website. And the crazy thing about the Framer Partner program is, you get like 50% of the commission whenever the client pays for the hosting. For example, if the client pays like $180 a year for the hosting, you get almost half, which is basically $90, which is like a passive income for you. And when it comes to creator program, you can basically build templates and components. So I basically built a template which was live in the marketplace for 1 week ago, and it's been doing well. So I built a roofing website template, and it's been like really good for me. So in this channel, I want to quickly walk you through what we will be covering in this channel. It would be tips, tricks, tutorials, how to edit templates, and my 4 years as a freelance web designer. I'm gonna share everything, because this video would be unedited. Basically, you would see me fumbling and out of you will see me thinking of what to speak. So that's it. That's it. And I'd like to share you one of my clients' website I just built. So this is the website I just built for a client. So you can see, like, when the page loads, there's an animation happening on the mockup screen. So at first the client asked me to make this kind of animation, and I thought it was quite complex, and at the end it was like quite easy for me. So this is the landing page I just built for a client. And that one section, here's this section that the client admired the most. This is the kind of design control you have inside Framer. You can build like all kind of complex interaction and animation. This is what I was talking about. So this is it from my side, and i'm gonna share uh, I'm going to share like couple of things in the next YouTube, in the next video. So I'll just link in the description, mainly to create your free Framer account. And I will also link the templates marketplace, where you can browse templates, whether it is free or paid. So I'll be seeing you in the next video.